Well, we've got a special guest with us today, passionate about helping families plan for the unexpected and ensuring that loved ones are cared for when they need it the most. Sarah Beth Locke is here, founder and managing attorney for Every Step Law Group right here in Cleveland. Sarah Beth, welcome in.
Thank you so much for having me. I'm so excited to be here with you today.
So glad to have you. So let's dive in. Let's talk about it. Tell us about Every Step Law Group and what do you do?
Yeah, so at Every Step Law Group, we are an estate planning firm with a holistic and personal approach to planning. So we are not just about, piecemeal or single document planning. We really want to make sure that every family has a comprehensive plan that is actually going to work when it's needed for you and your loved ones. We help families understand that planning is not just about passing, right? It's about ensuring that your loved ones and your kids are cared for no matter what.
Certainly so. Sarah Beth Locke joins us, Every Step Law Group. And, you think about families and small children and how important that is. And one thing that I know that you focus on is your kids' protection plan. Tell us about that.
Yeah, absolutely. So the kids' protection plan is really, really critical because it ensures that parents have a plan in mind for their children if something unexpected were to happen to them, right? So the goal is really simple. The goal is to ensure that no matter what, your children will never be in the care of the state or strangers, right? I mean, this really gives a lot of peace of mind because when something unforeseen happens, the last thing any parent wants is for their child to be with someone that they don't know or trust. Our kids protection plan ensures that the children are going to be with the right guardians in the right place, and they have a solid support system in place, not only for the long term, but also in that short-term emergency period.
Sarah Beth Locke joins us, and I tell you, Sarah Beth, it's, the peace of mind that you just talked about is absolutely priceless. As a parent myself, we are a lot of people that just clicks immediately. But you're also so community involved, and one thing that I know really the main reason you're here is this expo you're doing. You're calling it the Cleveland Parent Connection Expo. Let's talk about it.
Yeah, so it's our first year, and we are so excited to be hosting the Cleveland Parent Connection Expo. This is going to be held on July 26th from 10 a.m. to 3 at the Bradley County Schools Pie Center on Parker Street. This is a completely free event for the community, and it was created specifically to bring out local parents and families and connect them with local organizations and businesses that cater specifically to the needs of children and families. We really want to foster a sense of community and connection where parents can meet with these local services that offer valuable resources for their children. Like you said, as a mom myself, right, I really understand how important it is to have these trusted resources for our little ones. We've also had a huge amount of support from some very trusted business partners that are making this event possible. So we want to give a big thank you to our sponsors, Jordan Perleone with Edward Jones Investments, Just Love Coffee, Taziki's in Cleveland, and First Horizon Bank.
And one thing we were talking about before we came on the air, the people who are there, and look, there's nothing wrong with fairs. There's nothing wrong with these generalized events. Now, one time they tried to put me in a petting zoo, and I just said, well, that's really unfortunate. But no, this is a specific curated event that you and your firm have put together to really make it easy. One stop. And tell me more about that. Those resources are very specific.
Yeah, absolutely. Parents, we don't have much time. So we we have handpicked these vendors, okay? And we have over 30 of them. They are all local, and they are all amazing, and they are all based right here in Cleveland. As you said, there's nothing salesy in nature. This isn't really an activity where we're doing like face painting or anything like that. We are going to have, for example, right, all the local school systems will be there. Okay. We're going to have all sorts of extracurricular programs, both athletic and non-athletic. We're going to have therapy programs. Local law enforcement is going to be there to do car seat checks. We have tutoring and health-related resources, and even the local library, right? Like very intentional vendors here. We want this to be just a really resourceful event for parents and families to learn and connect with one another. And as an added bonus, the first 100 guests through the door are going to get a free grab bag with some great gifts.
There we go.
Yeah, and then we're also going to have some special surprises and bonus giveaways just as the day goes on. And all of our vendors are bringing, special gifts and prizes and things like that as well.
That's so cool. Sarah Beth Locke joins us with Every Step Law Group. Tell me about the name, Every Step Law Group. Where does that come from?
Yeah, so, our firm is really focused on making the estate planning process as smooth and easy as possible, right? So the idea was that we're going to be there with families every step of the way. Our firm keeps a relational contact with our clients throughout their life, so we check in on a minimum 3-year basis, if not more, just to ensure your plan's up to date. So really want to be there every step, right?
I love it.
Yeah.
Okay, so again, the Cleveland Parent Expo, if you will, one more time. Bring us the details.
Yes.
Give me the particulars here.
So it is July 26th from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. at the Bradley County School Pie Center on Parker Street. And if you want any more details on the event, we have a Facebook page set up dedicated just for this event. So you can find it by just searching the Cleveland Parent Connection Expo, and you'll find all the information there, a list of all the organizations attending, and how to make the most of your visit that day. And we hope to see everyone there.
And how do we get more information about Every Step Law Group?
Yeah, so we obviously have a website page, just everysteplawgroup.com. We're very active on social media, and we host a ton of events like this one out in the community. So we would love to connect with anyone out there.
Well, hello to your staff. I know they're great. You got a great team over there. Is that right?
Yes, no, they're great. And this event has really been a labor of love for us because our team is 100% mamas ourselves.
That's what you're saying.
Yeah, and all kids of different ages. So really, we just sat down and said, well, what do you need? What do you need? And made this event for people like us. So,
this is wonderful.
Awesome.
Sarah Beth Locke, I believe Walker Valley and Lee University.
Yeah.
Is that right?
Yep, local girl. I went to Walker Valley and then Lee and then UT for law school.
And then UT Law. There we go, man. I love it. Hey, it's great meeting you.
Thank you so much.
Thanks for coming in. Love what you're doing.
Awesome. Thank you.
Cleveland Parent Connection Expo, ladies.